Are you someone who's always tired? यार सखत थाक लागे छे. I know it's the season where you're all going to be tired. So let's upscale our language with the Grammar Garage and learn what are the different ways in which you can say "sakhat thaki gayi chu yaar." Number one, you have I am fatigued. Please focus on the sound. I am fatigued. Or else you can even say something like I am exasperated. Exasperated. Another alternative for that could be I am exhausted. Now let's learn it with a second person. She is worn out. Or how would you use it for a third person? We are drained. Or else you can say we are burned out. Follow us for more such amazing vocabulary tips.